Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hi everyone, this is the problem based on conservation of momentum and coefficient of collision. Conservation of momentum for the given system. Mass of sphere is initial velocity of sphere plus mass of cylinder. Initial velocity of cylinder. Mass of sphere into final velocity of sphere. Mass of cylinder into final velocity of sphere. Now substitute the value. In the problem, mass of sphere is given to initial velocity 10. Mass of cylinder, this will be 0 is equal to minus 2b cos theta plus 10 b naught. So b naught you will get 2 plus 0.2b cos theta. Conservation of momentum. For sphere, mass of sphere, velocity of sphere, sine of 30, mass of sphere into final velocity, sine of theta minus 30. So you will get 2 into 10 sine of 30, 2b sine of theta minus 30. So on solving it, this equation can be written as 0.866 v sine of theta minus 0.5 v cos of theta to be equal to 5. Now coefficient of restitution is defined as v naught sine of 60 minus v cos of theta minus 30 divided by v as 1 cos of 30 minus 0. So you can write it cross multiply and substitute the value. You will write 0.6 into 10 cos of 30 is equal to b naught sine of 16 plus b cos of theta cos of 30 plus b sine of theta sine of 30. Solving it, you can get 5.196 is equal to 0.866 v naught, 0.866 v cos theta plus 0.5 v sine of theta. So this equation can be written as 1.039 v cos of theta plus 0.5 v sine of theta to be equal to 3.64. Combining equations 2 and 3, we will get v is equal to 5 upon 0.866 sine of theta minus 0.5 cos of theta. 1.039 cos of theta minus 0.5 sin of theta upon 0.866 sin of theta minus 0.5 cos of theta is equal to 3.464 upon 3. So on solving it theta you will get 80.59 degrees. Now we will get rebound velocity to be 5 upon 0.866 sine of 85.9. So it is to be equal to 2.087 meter per second. Now applying conservation of energy, we can say change in kinetic energy plus change in potential energy to be 0. Half m bc b naught square half mc b naught square half k delta square. So delta can be written as root of mc v naught square upon k. Now substitute the value 10 into 2.087 whole square divided by k, that is 1600. So it is to be 0.165 meter or 165 millimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching it.